Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the simple causes. Power cycle the modem and router now, and reseat Ethernet and coax cables to ensure solid contacts. While devices reboot, run ping to 8, 8, 8, 8, and tracert to your destination to capture where the reset happens. Make sure to check your ISB status for reported outages. This saves time. If you recently changed hardware, revert that change briefly. Once done, you'll have a clearer view of whether the problem is local or upstream. Now perform targeted diagnostics. Flush DNS and renew the DHCP lease to remove stale records, and inspect your local firewall or antivirus. Disable briefly to test for connection resets caused by filtering. Switch browsers or use incognito to rule out extension interference. Swap the Ethernet cable and test different switch ports or Wi-Fi bands to find hardware-related resets. If resets persist, collect logs, router system log, browser console, and the tracert output. This evidence guides the next corrective steps. For final remediation, set public DNS servers like 8, 8, 8, 8 and 1, 1, 1, 1, update router firmware, and if necessary perform a factory reset, backup settings first. Use a cellular hotspot or VPN to determine whether your ISP or the route to the server triggers the reset. If the issue continues, capture packet traces, Wireshark, and system timestamps, then escalate to your ISP or server host with those logs. One key tip: always test with a clean device or network to isolate where the reset originates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.